Whew. As you guys can see, finally found some stickers. They're not exactly like the OEM ones, but they'll work. I had some guy in the mall make them for me. It's crazy what just a sticker does, bro. It makes a big difference. It looks so much better. Back here with another beautiful day. SoCal finally got some rain. The mountains got some snow. Look at that. Got a little bit of snow, not crazy, but today would be a perfect day to go boarding. Day after the storms, you get that clear weather. Very nice. As you guys can see, we got a couple lights in here. I took the other sensors out of my wheels. I just had to buy like a special bracket. That way I can use them with the Meisters, or just take them out of my other Meisters. I don't know, one or the other. So that light will go away. And the brake light, I don't know if you guys remember, I had that before. Just for a quick fix, I just changed the sensors and just put new ones. But since the pad was already worn out and I put new sensors, then it just wore the sensor out faster. It's about that time. Probably gonna get new rotors and pads. And yeah, solve that issue. I love that trans. DCT boys. So right now I'm currently on the way to 412 Motorsports. I'm gonna drop the car to them. I got a small oil leak. I don't know where it's coming from. Pretty much some typical E9X shit. But honestly, that's been my only issue with this car that I've had. It's a small oil leak. That's all good. Ain't nothing we can't fix. Oh, that S65. Woo! Bitch sounds good, man. I can't say this enough, guys. You know me, I love fast cars. Like, I have to have something fast. I mean, this car obviously is pretty slow to me, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it probably makes maybe like 370, 365 around that area. I kind of felt like with this car, I was gonna be like, man, this shit's gonna be like slow. I'm gonna get like hella bored of it. Like, yeah, these things aren't the fastest, but it just sounds just like so good. It just makes up for it. You're not really thinking about the speed. I mean, it's like, yeah, if you're out here trying to race everybody in an E9X that's not boosted, then it's like, all right, bro, I guess. You'll get some W's, don't get me wrong. The crazy thing is, it doesn't sound like a Corvette, doesn't sound like a Mustang, doesn't sound like someone's Taquache. It just has a real distinctive like V8 sound. And then it's like, ah, man, and then combined with that DCT, infinity. And look at that, beautiful, man. I love SoCal. I hate all the laws and the traffic and the roads, but everything else, I love it. But yeah, man, for this car's time, I feel like, you know, when these things dropped in like 08, I just feel like this car is definitely ahead of its time, bro. Like, I'm just imagining like having this car in 2008, like brand new, like how sick it was, you know? So like if this car is still dope now, like I could just only imagine having this thing when it was brand new. But yeah, man, I'm really like truly enjoying this car. I know everybody's expecting me to just pop up and sell it, but I honestly have no reason to sell it. Like, it's been good to me. Wanted another sedan. I needed some more space, just, you know, to lug around parts and stuff. I'm not the biggest truck guy. Like, I don't really care for trucks like that. So I don't think I'll ever buy a truck unless I absolutely need it, bro. Like, if I got a boat, jet skis, you know, toy hauler, shit like that, then definitely gonna need a truck, but I don't have none of that in my possession. So yeah, man, I've been really happy with this car. It's a lot of fun to drive. It sounds great, it looks great, it's kind of unique, it's rare, it's not a depreciating asset. The car's going up in value. I mean, it's a win-win being an owner. So I've been enjoying it, man. I like it a lot. Damn, dog, can I have your brakes? I need me some of those. Good old 412. Damn, dog, is that Sam? 4-1 tizzle. Look how much better that looks. So I found some like universal center caps on Amazon. Just something to put there so you don't see that ugly ass hub. I'll work on getting some custom made ones done. But yeah, it's looking good, man. I love this setup so much. It's so clean. Another day, bro. Sick, man. It's freaking sick. Brother, Sam, give me a deal. Give me a deal. I give you 5K. I know it's worth more. This is my spec right here, too.
Hours later.
Devil in here. Look at you. You just look like you did something. Locked up, won't let me out. What we got on the feet today? The beaters. Alright guys, so we picked up a new build for the channel. What's good? Who wants to smoke? These gas prices have me wilding. I'm gonna be taking this to the shop. But no, I picked this thing up. It's honestly pretty dope, bro. And cool to like take to the beach or something, or park, or just ride around. I take this to the mailbox and stuff, so it's pretty cool. It is a Highboy S2 Pro. It does about 18, 19 miles per hour. Has about a 30-mile range. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Real Caucasian on this thing. Excuse me, peasants. Greatness coming through. But yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Has lights on it, peep. Ooh, a little HID on that joint. We got the LEDs on this thing. Brake lights, everything, look, look. Sheesh. Not gonna lie, this thing's pretty dope, man. It's honestly really fun. Y'all thought I was playing? We really about to ride this. Oh. I ain't gonna lie, those things like kind of dangerous, bro. Like, you can actually really hurt yourself riding this. We got the whips up in this joint. Damn, dog, is that a toy? Sheesh. Got the Z in this bitch. I hope this shit starts. I haven't drove it since I took it from the shop. But, you know, it's a Z, you know? HR gang. This motherfucker's gonna start for sure. Sheesh! That bitch started right up. First time, no problem. Wow. Some other small stuff. taking the side streets when I'm in the race car. Be taking no chances. Be off of the main roads. Yeah, man, I cannot wait to swap everything over to the other Z. It's gonna be very nice. Found another motor for this one, so another stock HR is going in here. Made it to the shop. Made it to the shop. Damn, dog. Is that Ken? Saul got a new car. Slow. About to go from fast to slow real quick. She's dead.